Let's see what they're doing to turn this around. What else they got here? 16-inch pizza and a pitcher of beer for $27. $3 drafts, $3 shots. Okay, the $277 must mean $277 without the tax, and it must come up to an even $3. So on the drafts, you get Heineken, Modelo, Miller High Life, Bud Light, Blue Moon, and PBR. Those are drafts now. That's not bottled beer. Jose Cuervo, Wild Turkey, and New Amsterdam on the shots. I don't know anything about those shots. I mean, I do know Jose Cuervo and Wild Turkey. I don't know about New Amsterdam. But the beers are draft beers, which is fine if it's good draft beer. I mean, they've got to have a really good system, and then it's even better than bottle, in my opinion. But bottle is a lot safer, a lot more consistent, unless you're doing a hell of a lot of business, which they are not. Then you got to worry about the lines. Are they clean? How much bacteria they have in them? Yeah, I used to own a bar. These are the things that I had to take into account when I said, no, we won't use draft beer, because we're not going to do enough volume to take care of the expense of cleaning the lines and all the maintenance that's involved with draft beer. They can be dangerous, actually. You got $3 pop-ups. And this should be the $5 table right straight ahead of blackjack. 3 to 2 blackjack. 24/7 they say. 3 to 2, $5 blackjack. Should be that table right there. It is.
Now we're having
3 to 2, $10. Dealer must hit on a soft 17.
You have 8. 0 bus.
These tables are always shut down. I'm assuming that's $5 when it's open. $10 3 to 2 right there. So that front one is $5 3 to 2. Yep. All those 3 blackjack tables are 3 to 2. So they're attempting something. That's live table, you know. A lot of people are getting away from live tables. At least they're sticking with it. I find him very boring, to be truthful. Sorry. This is a smoky casino. I think you would probably guess that, but it is. here he is again, trying to be interesting. Okay, they definitely cleaned this room up. This room was horrible. It had rows of slot machines and some of them missing. It was just pathetic. So they got some good slot machines in here now. Got some empty spots there. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Looks like they've got the lights on out here at least. Oh, they do have the pool open. I see one customer out here. And oh, the hot tub is going off. I can't get in there because I don't have a key. But there's the pool. And there are 5 or 6 people enjoying the hot tub. It's a step in the right direction. I mean, they were shutting everything down even before it was dark. Let's see if the adding Denny's is helping whatsoever. For an intimate showing. The question is this ever gonna catch on? Looks a lot better than it did last time I was here. Okay, there was twice as many people in Denny's than the last time I was here, but it's still not adequate to sustain the cost of being here. But there's 2 more people going to come up here. It's going to be a slow process, but you got to start somewhere. Because this casino used to be very lively. It's seriously, the last time I was here at the same time, it's double the people, so it's heading in the right direction. Maybe not fast enough, but it's the right direction. The right direction enough where someone could come in here and say, hey, I want to buy this place and I can make it work. Somebody can make it work. The location is not bad. Not great, but it's not bad. It's not a far walk from the Strip. Yeah, that 3-2 blackjack is stirring up some, definitely stirring up some interest. Hey, why not? If you're going to play blackjack, you should play 3-2. It is a pretty good advantage. Now they have Denny's upstairs, but other than that, if you want a quick bite, this is your choice right here. The Silver 7's ramen noodles, and a microwave. Right there. Right there, right there. $4.99 for a 25-ounce Bud or a Modelo, but $6.99 for Miller Lite. What you talking about, Willis? $4.99 for a glass of wine. I remember seeing that on Shark Tank. I thought that never worked, but it's working. Okay, well, a little bit of something. Seems like they could do something better than that gift shop. Oh, they still have the airport shuttle. As long as you're a guest here. Paid parking customers. Who's that? They don't charge for parking here. I don't know what that means. But the shuttle is on time. I've used it. I stayed here a long time ago. And he was there, right where he said he would be. That'll save you a lot of money right there. Maybe $40 on your trip.
I came in off the heat with a lucky little grin. Checked my coat at the door and let the night begin. Silver on the tables, smoke in my hair. If the dice know my name, I'll be staying right there. Oh, I can feel it turning in the air. One more little flutter and I'm halfway there. Silver 7's, hold me close. Silver 7's, don't let go. Don't let go. Roll me slow, let me shine. One more kiss from fortune's line. Silver 7's, stay with me. Silver 7's, make me believe. Make me believe. Tonight I'm all in. Tonight I'm all in. Red shoes on the carpet, neon on the glass. Every little smile here makes the hard nights pass. A sax in the corner, a laugh at the bar. I came in a stranger, I'm leaving a star. Oh, I can feel it turning in the air. One more little flutter and I'm halfway fortune's line. Silver sevens, stay with me. Silver sevens, make me believe. Make me believe. Tonight I'm all in. Tonight I'm all in. If I lose, I'll still be pretty. If I win, I'll sing it twice. Put a spark in my glass.